Stop being mean to everybody. Stop being mean to everyone. We don't deserve that.
Please, I'm so sorry.
Sorry doesn't cut it. For your punishment, I'm gonna throw you into space for being so rude on DeviantArt. And, okay, I'm gonna throw you to space to never to be seen again. Yeet! No! It's okay. Your OCs and my husband Sniffles send Carly to space for being so mean to you. Thanks. You're a good friend to me. There. Everything's going to be okay. It's okay. We're here for you. There. Everything's going to be okay. There. Everything's going to be okay. You heard my husband Sniffles the Anteater. You're going to be okay. Serves Carly right for copying us. I'm glad Carly is in space forever, and Carly's gone forever, and this is what she gets for hurting your creator's feelings and copying you guys.